Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery, specifically the negative terminal, and wait at least 20 minutes. Next, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly straight and locked in position. Finally, gather all your tools, including a T30 Torx bit, a ratchet, and potentially a steering wheel puller, to ensure a smooth process. Now, let's move on to removing the airbag. Locate the T30 Torx screws on the sides of the steering wheel and carefully remove them to release the airbag module. Gently disconnect all electrical connectors for the airbag and horn, then set the airbag aside, face up, in a safe place. Finally, loosen the large center nut holding the steering wheel, but leave it partially threaded to prevent the wheel from flying off. With the old wheel off, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new steering wheel with the splines on the steering column, ensuring it's perfectly straight. Once aligned, thread on the main retaining nut and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is often around 36 to 80 foot-pounds. Then, reconnect all the electrical connectors for your horn and airbag, making sure they click securely into place. For the final steps, carefully reinstall the airbag module, securing it with the Torx screws. Double-check all connections and ensure everything is snug. Reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Now, turn on your vehicle and test all steering wheel functions, including the horn, cruise control, and any audio buttons, to confirm everything works correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on your next DIY project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.